So hello everyone, I am on my way into one of my favorite grocery stores. This is Vlogmas day. I don't even remember what day it is. Not feeling the greatest, so I'm about to make my homemade chicken and vegetable soup, and I'm going to bring you guys along. So let's go inside, you guys. Let me get 5 pounds of your be over if it's over.
6.
That's fine.
I put 5 over.
Okay.
It makes good difference when it's unexpected.
Yes. It is all week too.
Yes.
It's usually just Tuesday. Is this one just mallet? You just use the mallet to flatten that one out?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the scallopini?
The scallopini is a bread
Okay. Okay. Right. Thin chicken, right. That's it. No, I don't eat beef. Just chicken. Chicken and seafood.
Sounds good?
Yes. Thank you. Are you team pumpkin or team sweet potato? I'm team sweet potato. There is a difference. For all saying that it tastes the same, lies. don't know how much of this you're gonna actually see, but so the soup is already made, and I'm going to make sure to leave a link in the description box to my blog that gives you the full recipe of the chicken noodle soup. So after I make it in my pot, now I love this pot, you guys. It's old, it's all scratched up, it's not pretty, but for whatever reason, whenever I make my chicken noodle soup or chicken soup, chicken and vegetables, whatever you want to call it, I use this, that's what I use. So okay, we're getting ready to transfer everything into the crock pot. So like I said, I boil my items, or boil everything and cook it in the regular pot, and then I transfer it into a crock pot. Maybe the long way to do things, but I personally don't like cooking meat in a crock pot. It just, to me, tastes mushy. It just don't taste right to me. So I pre-cook everything, then add it to the crock pot. You don't want to overcook anything because, you know, who wants really, really mushy soup? But yeah, let's go ahead and do this. So yeah, I love using liners, slow cook liners, because you don't have to do much cleaning up afterwards. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and let this cook for a few minutes, and then I'll show you the results. So here's the soup, you guys. It has a lot of vegetables in there. Broccoli, it has, mine is going blank now that I'm taping, cabbage, celery, jalapeno, shrimp is in here, chicken. Yeah, so it's taking forever to boil, but I want to get this video up, so like I said, the recipe will be in the description box, and so will a link to this amazing crock pot. Alright, let's get it back on.